Okay, this video is to you, Phil. This is my audition. I want to do special music. Oh God, you are my God, and I will ever praise you. Oh God, you are my God, and I will ever praise you. I will seek you in the morning, and I will learn to walk in your ways, and step by step you lead me, and I will follow you all of my days. I will follow you all of my days. I will follow you all of my days, and step by step you lead me, and I will follow you all of my days. God, you are my God, and I will ever praise you. Oh God, you are my God, and I ever praise you. I will seek you in the morning, like right now. I'll learn to walk in your ways, and step by step you lead me, and I will follow you all of my days. I will follow you all of my days. Follow you all of my days, and step by step you lead me, and I will follow you all of my days. Then Pastor Phil come in and say, I will follow you all of my days. I will follow you all of my days, and step by step you lead me, and I will follow you all of my days. Well, that's pretty personal to you, Phil. But you and I get about personal as a bromance can get. I think you know everything about me. And I think you know why I'm singing that song right now in the cold Christmas morning of 2020. Someday we'll look back and say, look what the Lord had done. Look what the Lord had done to me. Oh, he healed my body, he touched my mind, he saved me. I had no coffee yet either, bro. I love you. I'll talk to you soon. This is going to be my new set. I'm going to do a series called Between the Palms with Tiki Tom. And as Paul Harvey would say, good day.